Jai Siaram. Simple present tense, practice number 3. This time I speak 80 sentences. You listen and understand. If you have book, then read and understand. Learn to read, learn to listen. Lesson start. The simple present tense. I go to school. I go to library. I come from class. We come from home. Mahesh and I go to the garden. They come from Ahmedabad. He comes from Jamnagar. He drinks milk. We play in the garden. You study English. They come to our home. We help them. They provide us the goods. We drink milk in the morning. She drinks coffee in the morning. I take breakfast at 8 a.m. means 8 in the morning. I take biscuits or bhakri with tea in breakfast. You walk fast. I walk slowly. She works quietly. She does her work carefully. I take exercise regularly. They give us invitation. I regard them. They bless me. She cooks herself. Mummy washes clothes in the morning. She dries them upon the rope. Sarla studies in 10th standard. She goes to school at 7:30 a.m. She comes home at 1 o'clock from school. Mohan plays cricket well. Ramesh sir takes our English. Ganguly comes in opening in one day. The fielder throws the ball to wicketkeeper from boundary. Navratri comes in Aso. Dev Diwali comes in Kartak. We celebrate Dhulati in Fagun. They celebrate Ganesh Utsav there. We believe in all religions. We celebrate many festivals during a year. I like some festivals very much. I play Dandiya on Navratri. My brother too plays modern Ras. We buy season pass. My friend and I reach the plot before 9 o'clock. The guard checks the pass of everyone. We wear traditional clothes, traditional garments. I know 6-step Ras. During recess, we drink lemon juice. On Diwali, I buy new clothes. We clean the house. Mummy arranges all the things properly. We all decorate the house together. At night, my sister makes rangoli. I help her. We do puja of money on Dhanteras. On Diwali night, many merchants worship the books. They write an account in that book. Many merchants write accounts on computer nowadays. On the New Year day, all wish to one another. I bow to elders. On this day, we all relatives take meal together. On Dhuleti, we sprinkle color on one another. Many people use very dark colors. Such dark colors harm the skin. I don't play with such dark color. On Janmashtami, we go to fair. I enjoy a lot in fair. I sit in merry-go-round too. Some children like the dragon a lot. Some people play gambling on Janmashtami. At 12 p.m., we participate in Krishna Janmotsav at Haveli. The pujari gives panjari as prasad. Parents buy children toys from the fair. Sometimes we buy water balloons. In Dwarka, the people of Dwarka decorate the main temple. We watch the live telecast of that festival on TV. I like festivals a lot. I celebrate every festival with pomp. Trees help us to bring rain. I call her daily. We pray to God daily at night. We all friends quarrel every day. We all family members live with harmony. We feed fishes daily. Fish. We see the sun setting. The moon gives us cool. The sun gives us heat. I like to stand in sunlight in winter. God helps us. I clean the class in the morning. The principal manages the school. The police protect the people. I go to play cricket. They come to meet us every Sunday. Papa goes for shopping to Delhi every year. Lions come here to drink water. Sages sit to meditate under the tree. A teacher advises students to give exam. So 100 sentences over here. Rest of the sentences we will listen next part. Jai Siya Ram.